The 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan has passed and approved a total of 2,588 committee reports, 4,168 resolutions, and 52 ordinances. For the year 2016, the body had passed 387 committee reports, 699 resolutions, and 14 ordinances. In 2017, 827 committee reports, 1,776 resolutions, and 14 ordinances were also passed and approved. For 2018, the body had passed 990 committee reports, 1,141 resolutions, and 21 ordinances. And for the year 2019, it passed and approved a total of 384 committee reports, 552 resolutions, and 3 ordinances. Honorable Agnes Almendras Magpale, Vice Governor and Presiding Officer of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Cebu, served as Chairperson of the Committee on Tourism and International Affairs and the Committee on Women, Family and Minors from July 2016 to June 2019. She authored a total of 109 committee reports, 148 resolutions, and 8 ordinances. Honorable Jerome Christian V. Librando, Presiding Officer, Pro Tempore and Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 7th District of Cebu Province, chaired the Committee on Arts and Culture and the Committee on Public Works, Highways and Infrastructure from July 2016 to June 2019. He also served as chairman of the Committee on Education from November 2018 to June 2019. He authored a total of 56 committee reports and 256 resolutions. Honorable Jude Tadeos Durano Cibico, the majority floor leader of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, an SP member representing the 5th District of Cebu Province, headed the Committee on Cooperatives from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 2 committee reports and 177 resolutions. Honorable Christopher R. Baricuatro, Assistant Majority Floor Leader and SP member of the 7th District of Cebu Province, served as chairperson of the Committee on Public Health and Social Services and the Committee on Education from July 2016 to November 2018. He authored a total of 139 committee reports, 370 resolutions, and 4 ordinances. Honorable Yolanda L. Daan, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 1st District of Cebu Province, chaired the Committee on Public Affairs and Information and the Committee on Differently Abled Persons from July 2016 to June 2019. She authored a total of 14 committee reports and 238 resolutions. Honorable Raul D. Bacalto, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 1st District of Cebu Province, headed the Committee on Laws and Review, on Ordinances, and the Committee on Complaints and Investigation from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 447 committee reports, 375 resolutions, and 1 ordinance. Honorable Edsel A. Galios, SP member of the 2nd District of the Province of Cebu, served as chairperson of the Committee on Information and Communications Technology and the Committee on Public Services from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 29 committee reports, 93 resolutions, and 3 ordinances. Honorable Jose Marie Di Salvador, SP member representing the 2nd District of Cebu Province, chaired the Committee on Senior Citizens from July 2016 to June 2019 and the Committee on Public Health and Social Services from November 2018 to June 2019. He authored a total of 25 committee reports, 140 resolutions, and 4 ordinances. Honorable Alex Sanchez Binghay, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 3rd District of Cebu Province, led the Committee on Agriculture and Livelihood from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 10 committee reports, 134 resolutions, and 1 ordinance. Honorable Victoria Corominas Toribio, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 3rd District of Cebu Province, headed the Committee on Ethics from July 2016 to June 2019. She authored a total of 308 resolutions and 1 ordinance. Honorable Horacio Villafranco, SP member representing the 4th District of Cebu Province, served as chairperson of the Committee on Ways and Means from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 145 committee reports, 234 resolutions, and 5 ordinances. Honorable Sanjay Shimura, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 4th District of Cebu Province, chaired the Committee on Public Safety, Peace and Order, and the Committee on Accreditation from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 285 committee reports, 272 resolutions, and 3 ordinances. Honorable Miguel Antonio A. Magpali, SP member of the 5th District of Cebu Province, headed the Committee on Commerce and Industry from July 2016 to June 2019, and the Committee on Youth and Sports Development from July 2016 to November 2018. He authored a total of 346 committee reports, 287 resolutions, and 8 ordinances. Honorable Glenn O. Bercede, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 6th District of Cebu Province, served as chairperson of the Committee on Planning and Development and the Committee on Energy from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 69 committee reports, 104 resolutions, and 1 ordinance. Honorable Tadeo Jovito M. Uano, SP member representing the 6th District of Cebu Province, headed the Committee on Environmental Conservation and Natural Resources from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 142 committee reports, 407 resolutions, and 3 ordinances. Honorable Celestino A. Martinez III, President of the Federation of Association of Barangay Captains, an ex-officio member of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, chaired the Committee on Barangay Affairs and Rural Development, Committee on Budget and Appropriation, Committee on Provincial Municipal Properties, and the Committee on Human Rights and Labor from July 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 669 committee reports, 189 resolutions, and 9 ordinances. Honorable Earl Tidy H. Oyas, President of the Philippine Councilors League and ex-officio member of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, led the Committee on Dangerous Drug Abuse Prevention from August 2016 to June 2019. He authored a total of 97 committee reports, 418 resolutions, and 2 ordinances. And Honorable Jericho Quinones Robio, President of the Panlalawigan Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan and ex-officio member of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan, headed the Committee on Youth and Sports Development from November 2018 to June 2019. He authored a total of 4 committee reports and 19 resolutions. Being of service to the public is both a duty and a privilege, and a God-given mandate. This was exemplified by the honorable members of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Cebu, who served as the voice of the Cebuano people in local legislature. For their achievements and contributions to the province, we honor them, whose ceaseless dedication and diligence paved for the passage of laws aimed at improving the well-being of their constituents and ultimately the Cebuanos in general. Honorable Alex Sanchez Bingay, the veteran among the group and the most experienced. Honorable Alex Sanchez Bingay has remained very young at heart. Yes, he is strict and seems intimidating, but he is also generous, kind, and fatherly. As representative of the 3rd Legislative District of Cebu Province for 3 consecutive terms, from 2010 to 2019, he spearheaded the Committee on Provincial and Municipal Properties from 2010 to 2013, and the Committee on Agriculture and Livelihood from 2010 to 2019. Throughout his tenure, he had authored 52 committee reports, 288 resolutions, and 2 ordinances. These are Ordinance number 2016-06, institutionalizing, promoting, and adopting the organic agriculture program in the province of Cebu and providing funds thereof, and Ordinance 2016-16, creating the Agricultural Engineering Division under the Provincial Agriculture Office of Cebu Province, and the sections and agricultural engineer position under the said division, determining their powers, duties, and functions. Honorable Son Hudal Shimura, armed with charisma and charm, the very friendly Honorable Son Hudal Shimura is also considered as the magician of the group for the magic tricks he willingly demonstrates to his fellow members. Considered as the life of the party, there's no dull moment with this SP member, as he never fails to amuse his colleagues with his tricks, jokes, and antiques. He also speaks his mind and does so with politeness and courtesy. Despite being one of the youngest in the body, he is considered as a seasoned legislator for having served 3 terms as SP member, representing the 4th Legislative District of the province of Cebu from the years 2010 to 2019. His chairmanships include the Committee on Information and Communication Technology from 2010 to 2013, the Committee on Public Safety, Peace and Order from 2010 to 2019, the Committee on Accreditation from 2014 to 2019. He had authored a total of 518 committee reports, 591 resolutions, and 5 ordinances. These ordinances are Ordinance number 2014-14, requiring all hospitals and other health institutions, whether private or public within the province of Cebu, to install a closed-circuit television camera or CCTV on the critical areas of the hospital to ensure public safety and security, providing penalties therefor and for other purposes. Ordinance 2014-19, amending Section 5 of Ordinance number 2012-03, the composition and structure of the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council of Cebu, for the inclusion of the Provincial Vice Governor of the Province of Cebu as member thereto. Ordinance number 2015-14, amending Section 2B, administrative or documentary requirements of Ordinance number 2014-05, otherwise known as an ordinance amending the amendatory ordinance number 2008-06 to Ordinance number 2004-01 entitled Mandating the Requirements for Accreditation of Non-Government Organizations NGOs of the Province of Cebu. Ordinance number 2018-7, amending Section 1, number 6 of Ordinance number 2015-14, otherwise known as an ordinance amending Section 2B, administrative or documentary requirements of Ordinance number 2014-05, known as amending the amendatory ordinance number 2008-06 to Ordinance number 2004-01 entitled Mandating the Requirements for Accreditation of Non-Governmental Organizations or NGOs of the Province of Cebu, and Ordinance number 2017-05 adopting the Manual of Operations and Administrations of Cebu Provincial Detention and Rehabilitation Center CPDRC of the Province of Cebu. Honorable Glenn Owano Barcede, with his looks and perhaps his moves, Honorable Glenn Owano Barcede is also known as the Chucky Chan among his colleagues. This SP member is the personification of equanimity, calmness, and composure combined. The quite reserved, serious, and meek is very cordial and friendly to those around him. As representative of the 6th Legislative District of Cebu Province, he chaired the Committee on Planning and Development and the Committee on Energy from the years 2016 to 2019. During such time, he had authored 69 committee reports, 104 resolutions, and Ordinance number 2016-05 prohibiting the refilling, distribution, and retailing of liquefied petroleum gas LPG in canisters within the territorial jurisdiction of the province of Cebu. Honorable Earl Tidy Honrado Oyas, energy in motion, in unrelenting or relentless speed. That is how this gentleman works as president of the Philippine Councilors League, Cebu Chapter, an ex-officio member of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Cebu. This down-to-earth member is always persistent and consistent, very approachable, and congenial in his ways. During his 3-year term, he headed the Committee on Dangerous Drug Abuse Prevention and was also a member of various standing committees of the body. He authored a total of 97 committee reports, 418 resolutions, and also led the passage of 2 ordinances, such as Ordinance Number 2016-22, amending Sections 3 and 4 of Ordinance Number 2016-11, creating the Cebu Provincial Anti-Drug Abuse Office and providing funds for the purpose, and Ordinance Number 2018-15, creating the Cebu Province Community-Based Treatment Program, or CBPT. Honorable Jude Tadeos Durano Cibico. Truly, youth has no age, and this is best exemplified by this groovy, fashionable, and youthful gentleman. His manner of dressing up always strikes an impression among the people around him, and how meticulous he is with his appearance is as how he is with his work as the majority floor leader, conscientious, prudent, and diligent. Representing the 5th Legislative District of Cebu Province, Honorable Jude Tadeos Durano Cibico served as chairman of the Committee on Public Services from 2010 to 2013, the Committee on Commerce and Industry from 2010 to 2014, Committee on Information and Communications Technology from 2014 to 2016, and the Committee on Cooperatives from the years 2014 to 2019. Throughout this tenure, he was able to sponsor 60 committee reports, 454 resolutions, and 2 ordinances. These are Ordinance Number 2014-05, amending the Amendatory Ordinance Number 2008-06 to Ordinance 2004-01, entitled Mandating the Requirements for Accreditation of Non-Government Organizations (NGOs) of the Province of Cebu, and Ordinance Number 2014-20, declaring the last full week of October of every year as the Cooperative Consciousness Week and the Province of Cebu. Finally, Honorable Agnes Almendras Magpali, a woman of great strength, of true grit and grace. Honorable Agnes Almendras Magpali is a leader of character, integrity, and competence, with a genuine passion to serve the public. Her firmness of character, indomitable spirit, and unyielding courage made her endure and thrive through her decades in public service. She served as Sangguniang Panlalawigan member of the 5th Legislative District of the Province of Cebu from the years 1992 to 2001 and from 2004 to 2010, and re-elected for another term in 2010 when she then assumed the position of Vice Governor by way of succession from May 2011 to June 2013. After which, she was elected as Vice Governor for 2 consecutive terms, from 2013 to 2016 and 2016 to 2019. During her stint in office, she headed several committees, including the Committee on Public Health and Social Welfare, Committee on Tourism and Health and Sanitation, Committee on Culture and Arts, Committee on Tourism and International Affairs, and the Committee on Women, Family, and Minors. In her years as legislator, she had authored a total of 334 committee reports, 2,961 resolutions, and 61 ordinances, which include the Tourism Code of the Province of Cebu and Ordinance Number 2016-13, which established the Paglaom Scholarship Program, a staunch advocate of women and children's rights. She also headed the passage of the Children's Code of Cebu Province, Ordinance Number 2014-16, which penalized child sex tourism and other acts of exploitation of children, and the Women Development Code of Cebu Province, which was later amended as the Gender and Development Code of the Province of Cebu.